So hey guys, this is Architect Raj Patel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the animation in the SketchUp. So you can easily slide over the view and back at the place where you beginning. So first, what you need to do is just open the any SketchUp file. I have this previously made this model of my one of my working projects. So what I'm doing is this is the basically ready model, half incomplete, half completed. So what you need to do is, if I want this view for the every time to watch the material and every time to see how the detailing looks like and how the elevation looks like, so every time this is tricky to set this align view and check the same view at the time. So what you do is just here you can see the fourth option, camera. So sorry, here you can see the third option, view. Just click on the view and just tap on the animation. Simply click on add scene. So here you can see the here is showing scene number 1. So what you know, if I move the model like this pivot, so if when I click on that, you can see the cursor is moving and camera angle is set where last it was. So what is basically do is the save the camera angle where you left the model. So if I want to update this, just select any random viewpoint, what you need to save. I'm just set up the little bit, I just set up the view, align view, and this is the perfect, and I want to angle, this is the perfect. So what you need to do is just set up the little bit, zoom in, zoom out, what angle and what view you want. Just here make right click, tap on the update. So now this view is already saved. So if you do this like this, and you can change this angle like field of view 75, then I tap on that scene 1. So you can see the angle is the previously saved 55 angle, and the view is what I updated. So what next you do is, just if I want multiple view, if I want a view like this of only angled view, so just right click on the scene number 1, just click on the add. So you can see now you can move and tap on scene 2, basically glide you back on scene number 2. So if I want to update the scene number 2, I want to change the angle or whatever, if I want to make scene 2 like this, set up the screen whatever you want, just right click on that and tap on the update. So what it does is, if you tap on the scene 1, you can see the scene number 1. If you tap on scene 2, you can go on the scene number 2. If you want the top view, so top view, isometric, exometric view, just set up like that. Any angle on your preference, just add this in. How much you want to do, you can add easily from here. So if I want angle like this is this. If I want the view like that, just add this in. So now what basically happen is, scene 1, tap on scene 2, tap on scene 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can easily manage your view. If I want to work inside from the model, field of view is increased. Field of view is much better to work on the narrow spaces. So if I want to work on 75 angle, so you can add the angle for it. So if you lose the field of view in 55, if I tap on the 55, you can easily go into 75 angle. Just go there and you can easily edit and manage the profile. So you can also rename it. Just single click on it, right click on it, tap on rename, and you can easily rename the whatever you want, whatever name with you want. So this is if you want to play the entire animation. So what you do is just right click on that scene 1, any scene, play animation. So it can showing you like a slideshow, all your scene 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many you add. So if you want this in the video form, so what you do is after the last view it will automatically repeat from scene number 1. Basically it's working like GIF file. So stop here, and if you want to export the entire video, so go in the file, tap on the export and select the animation, select the destination, and you can here change the FPS. Tap on the options, you can change the resolution whatever you want, 180p, 77, sorry I'm bluffing. You can easily select the resolution and the line scale number, FPS. Okay, so export on default. After that you will see the entire video format. Here is the exporting the process. Just wait for the few seconds. You can also export the scene wise, can only scene 1. If you want to export the scene 1, you can do that also. If you want to export scene 2, you can easily do any single scenes in JPG format. You can also export in CAD format and any other software formats. So here we are near the completion. I'm done. So you can check the video. See, this is the video we are seeing before. This is the video format. You can easily show to your clients, or you can share in the WhatsApp group or any conceptual ideas. So what you, if you want to export only scene 1, just go on the file, select the 2D graphics, select the format. Here I am selecting JPG because I want in the JPG format. You can also export in PDF format. Select that, select the destination and export. So this is the JPG format. You can also export in multiple format like this 2D graphics in JPG, EPS, Windows, BMP, whatever, DWG file, AutoCAD file, DXF file. If you want to export in 3D, you can also export in 3D. So that's it. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe our video. And so if you like the video, please like and so if you like the video, please like and subscribe our video and share with more and more colleagues, and just tell me more about how to improvise, how can I help you to improvise your software skills. And that's it. If you have the suggestions, you can comment me on the videos, or you can send me via email format or my Instagram account or WhatsApp number I mentioned in the below description. So keep liking, keep subscribing, and bye for now.